तोबा मेरी याद सुनो मैंने लगा
We want to serve our country again. The Pakistan of proud people, happy faces. The Pakistan of peace and prosperity. The Pakistan we were striving for.
Please rise and join me in welcoming and inviting President Pervez Musharraf to give his address. Thank you. Thank you.
Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan! Zindabad! सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान! सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. I am really touched by your feelings, by your sentiments, by your emotions. It's indeed a great day today, and I would like to thank all the working committee of New York, especially Pervez Mahmood, who made this occasion possible. And I am extremely grateful to all of you. Such a large gathering present today here. You do me an honor by being present here and allowing me to interact with all of you.
Love you!
Thank you very much. And I love you. Well, indeed, I was just thinking with such a wonderful, emotionally charged gathering, should I be speaking in English or Urdu? I think there is a mixed response, and I think the easiest thing for me to do is to speak in English and Urdu, and maybe switch to Urdu whenever I get stuck in English and switch to English whenever so I make my job easy. I would like to start, ladies and gentlemen, to clarify why I have joined politics. Is the first question that a lot of people ask me. I have served for about 9 years, and let me very proudly say that we served very well, in that Pakistan in each and every socio-economic indicator was on the rise, not only on the rise, was on an upsurge. And now, after these 9 years, I am doing pretty well with my lectures around the world, all over the world, being looked after Harry Walker Agency here, from here. And let me also say they pay me well, so therefore I'm quite comfortable anywhere in the world, whether I'm in UK or United States or Saudi Arabia or UAE. But I thought then, what is the issue? Should I be relaxing and doing nothing? Or I personally look back to Pakistan, the country we all love, you love, we all love. What is the state of Pakistan? So therefore I realized there is a cause bigger than self, a cause beyond self. If I was to look at myself, I would be happy to do nothing and relax and tour everywhere around the world. But when you look at Pakistan, there is a cause above self of looking after Pakistan. If at all there was a political party or a leader today in Pakistan who could deliver to Pakistan and could take Pakistan beyond the troubles that it is facing today, maybe I would have chosen the option of doing nothing. But I see that in Pakistan, there is no political party or leadership. There is a leadership void at this moment, which can take Pakistan out of the troubles, the problems that it is facing today. Therefore, I thought I must enter politics. Most disturbing reality in Pakistan is the total demoralization that the people of Pakistan are suffering from, the hopelessness that they are suffering from, and they are losing faith and losing confidence in the state. So this situation has to be rectified, ladies and gentlemen, and therefore I decided to join politics. And so therefore I created this political party which I call All Pakistan Muslim League. Why All Pakistan Muslim League is the question. And the answer to this, which partially has been given by Dr. Naseem Ashraf, APML is the party of Quaid-e-Azam. He created Pakistan with this party. We at this moment need to recreate Quaid-e-Azam's Pakistan again with the same party. Therefore, All Pakistan Muslim League. और ये जो रिक्रिएशन ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग से होगी, ये वही जोश और वही वलवला जो 1947 में था, जिससे हमने पाकिस्तान को बनाया, वही जोश और वही वलवला इस वक्त चाहिए हमें पाकिस्तान को बचाने के लिए और पाकिस्तान को तरक्की की राह पे लगाने के लिए, जो हमने 8 साल में दी थी पाकिस्तान को। Then, having created the name, we thought of a flag, and the flag of All Pakistan Muslim League is Pakistan's flag minus the white of the Pakistan flag. और आपको पता होगा, the white stands for the minorities. So therefore, what we did was we wrote under the crescent and star, सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान in white. I think we need to develop ये जोश और बलवा, ये वाला चाहिए हमें पाकिस्तान को आगे ले जाने के लिए। Thank you. So therefore, the All Pakistan Muslim League flag with सबसे पहले Pakistan written in white, representing the minorities, and that is the vision of Quaid-e-Azam. It is the vision of Quaid-e-Azam that in Pakistan, every Pakistani is equal. There is no distinction between religion, caste, creed, color. And therefore, we will go on Quaid-e-Azam's vision of every Pakistani, whether he is a Christian or a Hindu or Sikh or a Muslim, is equal in the state of Pakistan, inshallah. Then thinking of the symbol for All Pakistan Muslim League, as you see, the symbol is Shaheen. Shaheen, आप लोगों ने, you must have read about Shaheen in Allama Iqbal की शायरी में बहुत है, लेकिन मेरी कुछ वजूहात हैं why I selected Shaheen. शाहीन वो है जो सबसे ऊंची परवाज करता है, पहली चीज तो ये है। दूसरी चीज ये है कि वो एक फ्लॉक में नहीं होता है, अकेला उड़ता है।
जैसे मेरा लीडर सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान।
तीसरी चीज ये है कि वो जिस घोंसले से निकलता है उसमें वापस नहीं आता शाम को, लेकिन इतनी उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो पहाड़ों और चट्टानों में रहता है और आगे जाता है।
और पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग, और पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग।
इसलिए ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग की वही इंडिपेंडेंस, वही कॉन्फिडेंस और वही करेज होगी जो शाहीन की है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा शाहीन अपना किया हुआ शिकार खाता है। किसी और का शिकार नहीं लेता। तो मतलब ये है कि हराम का नहीं खाता है और पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग हलाल का खाता है। तो इसलिए ख्वातीन और हज़रात, the idea of शाहीन, और ये है, ये एक जो मैं कह रहा था, ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग शुड इमर्ज, जोश और वलवला, वो जोश और वलवला एक डायनामिक नाम, एक डायनामिक परचम और एक डायनामिक सिंबल में आएगा, और वो ये ऑल पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग का इंशाअल्लाह ताला। Now therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you, as Parvez Mahmood and Dr. Naseem Ashraf are doing, give me your support, join me in this All Pakistan Muslim League, and I can assure you that we will not only save Pakistan, we will move Pakistan forward. I say this with confidence, because we have done it for the last 9 years. We have been tried and we succeeded. None of the other political parties, jo itni, they only talk, but look at their past performance. All of them have been tried. When I say all, both the major parties have been tried twice, each one of them. And both the times they failed. Yes. The major PMLN, the party leader Nawaz Sharif, who talks so much, he was the one who brought Pakistan down to its level of being declared a failed state, a defaulted state, a state which was bankrupt in 1999. He was governing for 3 years. And now he has the audacity to try to come the third time. मेरे ख्याल में अब तीसरी दफा आकर वो मुल्क का बेड़ा गर्क करना चाहते हैं। जो बचा कुचा पाकिस्तान का रह रहा है, उसको भी आया जाए तीसरी दफा और उसको खराब करके उसको बेड़ा गर्क किया जाए पाकिस्तान का। God forbid if he comes, that will be the state. Because I think ये शख्स वो है जो गवर्न करना नहीं जानता है। He doesn't know how to govern. मैं उसकी डिटेल में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ। वो आपको मालूम है कि वो 1990 से 2099 तक, till I came, he couldn't pull on with 4 military chiefs, 4 के साथ, चारों के साथ उनका कोई ना कोई डिफरेंस था। दूसरा, 2 प्रेसिडेंट्स, गुलाम इसाक, लगारी साहब, दोनों के साथ नहीं पुल ऑन किया। चीफ जस्टिस है, उनके साथ भी नहीं। तो इनके साथ इनके दिमाग में कोई फतूर है जिसकी वजह से वो पुल ऑन नहीं कर पाते किसी को।